back to the Pajero. This one here is going to hopefully bring it back up and improve the ride. So for the springs here, there's a lower point and an upper point to put in there. So this one should slide in here. This one here should go on the top here. Connect the air line to the bag here. And once it's clicked in, it's obviously not coming out. Feed him down through there, coming in under the control arm and out there like that. This one here I'm looking to pass in under the back of the fuel tank there, and it's a bit hard to sort of feed it through, but I've got the old coat hanger out here and tape him on here and feed him through. Alright. Thinking about there. Here we go. And there's the cables there. It's never been this bloody level, it's really cool. Normally the camper sits down a bit at the front. That's really exciting. I look forward to being able to open the back door again and hey, I can just see it's level, and that already makes me happy. So